Students, see page number 16. I am reading this paragraph. This one all of you see carefully. International Monetary Fund, IMF, is one of the biggest money lenders for any country in the world. So this is one of the branch of United Nations organization. It provides money, loan to the needy country. Biggest money lenders. So it is called the biggest money lenders. It's 188 member states. Here states means countries. According to 1 September 2012, according to this year, how many members are there? 188 member states do not have equal voting rights, but 188 members, they don't have the equal rights, means one country, one vote. Not, we cannot see the equality for the voting rights. The vote of each country is weighed by how much money it has contributed to the IMF, means weight of the voting power, which is dependent on how much money country deposits, or we can say the donates to the International Monetary Fund. How much money it has contributed, means how much money contributed for the IMF. On that basis, the power of voting is dependent. More than 52 of the voting power in the IMF is in the hands of only 10 countries, means more than half voting power, which is in the hand of the only 10 powerful and rich countries like US, Japan, Germany, France, UK, China, Italy, Saudi Arabia, Canada and Russia. Now these are the important, powerful, effective countries in International Monetary Fund. They play a very important role, and remaining very less. So here we cannot see the democratic principle. The remaining 178 countries have very little say in how these international organizations take decisions. Means remaining 178, those contribution is very less in IMF. So their views, their opinions very less important, cannot affect on international organizations' decisions. The World Bank has a similar system voting. The World Bank also follows same method for the voting. The president of the World Bank has always been a citizen of the US. Now always. The president of the World Bank, nominated and elected by the US, especially conventionally, means accepted, or we can say the nominated by the Treasury Secretary, Finance Minister, nominated by the Finance Minister of the US government, means the US government control and dominates over the World Bank also. Now in that situation we cannot see, members are there, but in whatever they follow the system for voting and for the election, in both the organization we cannot see the democratic principles. Now remaining paragraph we will see in next clip.